Hi guys, so today's question is minimum difference between the highest and lowest K scores. It is an easy question, but quite confusing. Maybe you have to use the sliding window approach here. You are for Let me take the description of the problem. You are given a zero text integer array nums, where nums I represent the score of the highest student. Means zero student has 90 score, first student has 4, and so on, and the integer k. Pick the scores of any k student. You have to pick scores of any two students here, scores of any one student here, such that the difference between the highest and lowest score should be minimized. So you have to pick two elements, any two elements. Suppose I pick 7 and 9. So highest is 9 and lowest is 7 in these two elements, and their difference is minimized. So answer is 2 here. So you have to try each and every combination randomly, but instead of trying randomly, you can use the sort method. So it will be easy for you to make the difference minimum from the highest and lowest element. So you have to pick two elements, six elements, depending upon the k. And when you have to take the elements such that you have to come out of the loop when the elements are less than k. So I have sort the array and taken an array list and minimum for comparison the minimum value. I've taken the first loop starting from 0. I will break the loop when the element is less than k. Suppose these are the six elements. One example, and k is equal to 6. You have to take the six elements, compare the six elements, their highest and lowest. Here we have one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. So in first go, you will take the first six elements and break, and you have to compare the highest and lowest case. Similarly, starting from 6107, you have to take the six elements. Starting from 4450, there is less than six elements remaining. So this if represent that there is less than six elements remaining, no need to go further. You have to break the loop. And when I've taken the inner loop j is equal to y, I will increase the count plus plus, because you have to take the six element, not seven. Because initially when j is equal to 0, so initially there is seven elements, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But you have to take the six element according to the question. So when his count is less than equal to k, I will add it. When it will become 7, I will break the loop. And when I will come out of the inner loop, I will make it count 0 to make it ready for the next iteration of the I. And I will sort max and min element. I will take the min and max and min element from the list, from the method max and min, and calculate their difference and compare with the min one. I have taken integer dot max value. um, in first go, yes, it is the diff is less than min, because integer max value goes to 2 1 something big value. So the min value will be updated, and for the further iteration the min value will keep get on updating if diff value is less than min value. And I will clear the list for the next iteration and will return the minimum value.